So here we go. We got round 3 winners. TruBlu versus Vendetta. Here over at MISFIRE in beautiful Rochester, New York. So we got the Ryu. We're going to probably see a Zero Suit Samus. We are. All right. It's an interesting matchup. I mean, like, you know, Zero Suit can kill early with the Rage, carry you up, hit you with the up B. But I mean, like, you know, when Ryu throws out Focus, it can just fall through. So it's going to be difficult to get that, I feel. It's kind of strange. And then, you know, Shoryu. So all the setups between that and, you know, it's going to be an interesting, the buzzword is volatile matchup, right? Like, see it all the time. And it looks like we might be going to Battlefield here for game 1. And we are. So here we go, game 1, starting it up on Battlefield. So, see how it starts off here. Got a little bit of a fireball, doing some damage. Shoryu's gonna get punished with an up air. Not much else. I mean, I couldn't really carry yet. Lots of shield pressure. Doesn't matter because he's gonna get grabbed. Gets the little fair out. Oh, the up airs, gets the up B. He's not gonna kill yet, definitely not. He's a big boy. I mean, blast zones are high. It's just not gonna happen. So, Vendetta already at 92%, so that's pretty crazy. Just the amount of firepower that TruBlu's able to put out right now is pretty crazy. And it's showing as he gets that paralyzer, gets dash attack, sending him up, gonna get the back air off the air dodge, not gonna get the kill yet. He's gonna have to jump. Uses, yep, he's gonna jump off ledge, smart. Don't do the ledge get up because, you know, gonna get paralyzed. Down smash is the thing. Okay, the back air knocks him back off stage. TruBlu waiting, gets the ledge trump. Oh, bad situation. You don't want to be in that. He's going to use the Shoryu to hit from underneath the stage, gets a grab. Now we got a Rage Ryu on our hands. Really scary. Up B from shield. Doesn't work. Misses the nair. Down smash is shielded. Okay, uses the focus. Kind of jumps away. Back air. Not a trait you want if you're Vendetta. He's off stage now. Went for the Zair. Smart idea. Kind of lets him get up for free. Interesting move. Ooh. Looking for the up tilts. Couldn't get it. Ooh, fair just misses. Reads him. Couldn't get anything. Forward tilt doesn't connect either. Back air doesn't connect. Another back air doesn't connect. Being kind of predictable with these back airs. Gonna hit the shield again. Ooh, focuses right through that time. Okay. Gets the Zair. Back air off the ledge. Off the platform there. Gonna take that stock. So 55% on TruBlu. He's looking pretty good right now. Okay, fair. At the forbidden percent. Let's see what Vendetta can do. Gets the fair. Ooh, Shoryu's right through that combo. He's like, yeah, you thought you had a combo. Get out of here. So Vendetta looking for any opening he can get here. He needs to take this stock pretty soon, and it is Ryu. So I mean, you know, getting this up tilt, get a down tilt, you get yourself a Shoryu just like this, and that's Shoryu. We'll take that stock, and we're even on stocks now. We have you know, 32% over here on Vendetta. He's looking all right. So. Even if he wasn't, I mean, just Rage, really. And we'll see how it goes. He focuses through. He doesn't turn it around or anything, and he's going to get a slight punish, but not that bad, honestly. Now it's 73%. Ooh, okay. TruBlu giving up stage control, but he's going to get that back air, knocking Vendetta off stage. Shoryu reaches through the platform, gets an air, gets a down tilt. Ooh, unfortunately, nothing else could have came out of that. Okay, back air doesn't connect, but the back air for TruBlu does. Looking for the Zair, does not connect either. Fireball going to cover is going to give him a little space to recover. Down smash didn't connect for TruBlu, but these jabs will, knocking him off stage again. He's just going to do another neutral get up, this time shielded. Okay, Zair. Ooh, goodness, if he reads the roll with that, that's going to be savage, but he gets upbeat out of shield instead, and the back air is going to clean it up. TruBlu takes game 1. So, you know, showing by both. I mean, Vendetta, I felt like missed a few key moments that really could have turned it around for him. I feel like maybe he should have turned around the folk. Okay, we're going to see the Little Mac. I've seen this matchup before in Buffalo, where these two are from. I mean, it's interesting. It's I'd say it's even on the floor, and then in the air, it's 100% ZSS. So we'll see how this goes. And Yeah, here we go. Game 2. We're on the final destination, which just might be our final destination. The F tilt comes through for Vendetta, bringing TruBlu already up to 22. Dash attack, he dashes right over the Zaire. Gonna charge a neutral B. I might assume that's a misinput of some sort. That smash attack comes through. He's gonna get punished for that. Up tilt. Okay. Ooh, side B, just gets out of danger. I like that. Gets the up tilt, gets the up B. The damage is coming in for Vendetta, but I mean, like, he needs a little bit more than this. Down throw. Looking for something, doesn't get it. Gets a flip kick instead. The jab stops the grab. Dash attack, knocking TruBlu off stage. TruBlu needs to recover now. Ooh, nice job reading the jump with the up B. He's already got about 100%. Looking for the down tilt. He's looking for the down tilt. You know exactly what he wants. He gets down thrown, though. And the up B, he's dead. He loses the stock. Vendetta now down. But, you know, damage is high. Oh, no. Okay. Gets up. He's just going to up B. Wake up, up B. He's going to take that stock, and we're even again. Okay, back air. Down tilt. F tilt does not connect. He's going to get jabbed. Ooh, Zaire. Not the right move, I'd say. All right. Ooh, weird trade. Dash attack for Vendetta. Gonna shield that. Ooh, jabs. Flip kick, knocking Vendetta off stage. Okay. Oh, just avoids that. Gets dash attack, though. He's going to get just missed the up air and the back air. Forward smash, upward angled, and then the dash attack coming right afterwards. He's got KO punch online now. Let's see what happens with that. Ooh, runs through, goes for the KO punch, and that's going to be unfortunate, but no real crazy punish. He only gets a grab. No back air. Oh, up tilt. TruBlu in the air. Flip kicks away. Forward tilt shielded. Up smash, gonna knock him away. Forward tilt, not enough range. He's got those long legs, not that long. Ooh, air just armors through. Forward smash. Vendetta takes game 2 with the fists of steel. So the switch works out, and see if we can carry that momentum into game 3. Will we see a switch from TruBlu? We know he's got a few characters in his pocket. He's got the Blue 2, he's got the Blucas. Might go with Zero Blue Samus, though. Looks like he might be sticking. Okay, switch to Ryu again. Interesting. So going to Ryu, gonna go to Dreamland. I guess that makes a lot of sense now that I see the map choice. And let's go for it. We're here, game 3 at Dreamland. All right, so he starts off with the fireball. He's already got a good 8% on. Ooh, jabs didn't connect, but that dash attack sure will. It's a fair. The back air is coming out in bunches for Vendetta. Already got him at a pretty nice percent. Ooh, no, that's not what you want here. Okay, trades out of the jab. Wow, trades out of the grab is what I meant to say. Okay, focus, up air. Ooh, that back air does connect. Shoryu's away. Ooh, okay. Dash attack. He goes, just misses with that one. I don't know if he meant to do it. Maybe it's supposed to be a turnaround Shoryu, but nevertheless. Okay, carrying him up. He's got the rage. Doesn't matter. He's gonna get Shoryu'd. The backfire on the carry from TruBlu. He's gonna get Shoryu'd. Lose that stock. The whiffed grab. Ooh, he had the spot dodge read. Couldn't get. Oh my goodness, he's got 2 reads and he's gonna get pineappled. And that's it. Vendetta takes it 2-1 on quite the blunder on that last stock, but quite the match nonetheless.